Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 5.4. Find the second order derivative of the following functions. So first let's take the first one. I'm going to refer each of these functions as f of x. So the first order derivative is nothing but f dash of x. So let's differentiate it. Since it's a direct simple function, we will do it directly. So this is nothing but 2x plus 3. So if I have to, second order derivative means I have to differentiate this first order derivative once more. So f dash double dash of x is going to be differentiation of 2x plus 3, which is simply 2. So the answer in the first case is just 2. Now let's take up the second question. So let's calculate the first order derivative. So f dash of x is going to be equal to 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. Now let's calculate the second order derivative, which is the differentiation of the first order derivative. So f double dash of x is going to be 6x minus 10. So the answer for the second question is 6x minus 10. Now let's move on to the third one. So when you differentiate log x, you're going to get 1 by x. So this is the first order derivative. As for second order derivative, it is differentiation of 1 by x, which is nothing but minus 1 by x squared. So the answer here is minus 1 by x squared. Now let's move on to the fourth function. So f dash of x, I'm going to apply chain rule. Log of log x means it is 1 by log x into 1 by x by applying chain rule, which is nothing but 1 by x log x. Now this is of the form u by v. So I'm going to apply that. So u is going to be equal to 1. So u dash is going to be equal to 0. V is x log x, whereas v dash is here. I'm going to apply uv. So it is going to be x by x plus log x, or on simplification it is 1 plus log x. Now we will apply it in the formula. So f double dash of x is nothing but, remember this formula is going to be v u dash minus u v dash. So v u dash, either way it is going to be 0, then minus u v dash, which is going to be 1 into this. So this is 1 plus log x, the whole thing divided by v square, which means x log x the whole square. So on simplification, it is minus of 1 plus log x, the whole thing divided by x log x the whole square. So this is going to be the answer here. So this is minus of 1 plus log x, the whole thing divided by x log x the whole square. Now let's move on to the fifth function. Let's calculate f dash of x. So f dash of x, here I have to use u by v because there's a numerator and denominator. So u is equal to log x, which means u dash is 1 by x. V is equal to x, so v dash is 1. So if you apply the formula v u dash, so x into 1 by x minus u v dash, which is simply log x, the whole thing divided by v square, which is x squared. So if you strike out, so this is 1 minus log x, the whole thing by x squared. This is f dash of x. Now we need to compute what is f double dash of x, which means I need to differentiate this particular function. So let's apply u by v once more. So u here is going to be 1 minus log x, which means u dash is minus 1 by x. V is equal to x squared, so v dash is going to be equal to 2x. Now let's apply the formula v u dash. So it is minus of x squared into 1 by x minus u v dash, so which is going to be 2x into 1 minus log x, the whole thing divided by v squared, so x squared the whole square is x power 4. So if you simplify, this is going to be minus x. Now I'm going to multiply this term by, so this is minus 2x plus 2x log x, the whole thing divided by x power 4. So if you simplify, it is 2x log x minus 3x, the whole thing divided by x power 4. I can take the x outside. So this is 2 log x minus 3, the whole thing divided by x power 4. So this x and x power 4 I can simplify and write as x power 3. So the final answer is going to be 2 log x minus 3, the whole thing divided by x cube. Now let's take up the sixth one. Let's first compute the f dash of x. So for f dash of x itself, we have to use the u by v method. So u is equal to 2x plus 1. So u dash is going to be equal to 2. V is equal to 2x plus 3. So which means v dash is again 2. Now let's apply in the formula. So u v dash. So this is v u dash. So this is going to be 2 into 2x plus 3 minus u v dash. So this is 2 into 2x plus 1. The whole thing divided by 2x plus 3 the whole squared. First let's simplify the numerator. So this is 4x plus 6 minus 4x minus 2. The whole thing divided by 2x plus 3 the whole squared. So 4x and 4x will vanish. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is 4 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole squared. So this is f dash of x. We need the double dash. So in order to find the double dash of x, I'm going to modify this function as 4 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 2. So in this case, I don't need to do u by v. I can directly change it like this to find the second order derivative. So now you can apply chain rule. So this is going to be 4 into minus 2 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 3, because you have to do this differentiation. Then differentiation of the function inside. So this will be again a 2. So 4 into 2 into 2. So this is going to be minus 16 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 3, or you can rewrite this as minus 16 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole power 3. So the final answer is minus 16 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole power 3. Now let's move on to the last function. Let's compute the f dash of x for here. So f dash of x, I'm going to directly apply the chain rule. So this is nothing but half into 1 minus x squared to the power minus half into minus 2x, because I need to differentiate the function inside the root. So this 2 and 2 will vanish. So this is going to be minus x divided by root of 1 minus x squared. So this is f dash of x. So let's compute the f double dash of x here. So for that, we are going to apply u by v. So u is equal to minus x, which means u dash is minus 1. V is equal to root of 1 minus x squared. So v dash is equal to half into 1 minus x squared to the power minus half into minus 2x. That's what you did in the first order derivative, right? So you can cancel out the 2 and 2. So this is minus x divided by root of 1 minus x squared. This is the entire f dash of x that is coming as v dash. Now let's substitute. So the formula is v u dash. So minus the root of 1 minus x squared minus u v dash. So minus into minus is plus. We already have a negative here, so it is negative. X into x is x squared divided by root of 1 minus x squared. The whole thing divided by v squared, which is nothing but root of 1 minus x squared the whole squared. Now I'm going to take LCM in the numerator. So this will become minus of, this is root of 1 minus x squared twice, so it is minus of 1 minus x squared minus x squared. I'm bringing down the denominator to this, so 1 minus x squared into 1 minus x squared. This root and square I cancelled and wrote it like this. Now let's remove the bracket out here. So this is minus 1 plus x squared minus x squared, the whole thing divided by, I can write the denominator as 1 minus x squared to the power 3 by 2. I can combine this half and 1 and write this as 3 by 2. So x squared and minus x squared will get cancelled. So the final answer is minus 1 divided by 1 minus x squared to the power 3 by 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye.